Hello everyone, I'm Amit from mailsmartly.com. Today in this video you will learn couple of methods how to find and view flagged email in both Outlook Classic as well as New Outlook. So without wasting time in my fluffy introduction, I directly jump to the methods. So currently I have opened my Outlook Classic and in this there are a couple of methods and I have already flagged few emails to show you how I can view them and find them. So first go to the folder. I have already flagged few emails in my inbox. So the first option is you will see it's a small option which is arrangement. If you can see when I click on this drop down, all you have to do is to change the arrange by to flag status. When you click on this, you will see all your flagged email are arranged on the top and you can very easily check out those emails. This is the first method. The second method is whenever you flag an email, that email will automatically add in your to-do list. That means your task list. So simply go to this option, to do option. When you click on it, there is an option here, flagged emails. You will see I have already two emails which are flagged here. So I can directly jump to the to-do list and check out all the flagged emails here also. So this is the second method. Now the third method. All you have to do is to click on the search bar. That enable the search section or search tab. Here you will see refined section which consists of all the options here. You only have to click on this flagged button. As soon as you click on the flagged, all your emails removed from the inbox, or they are temporarily hidden and all the flagged emails are appears on your list. So that way you can also check out all your flagged email. Now the next option is new search folder. New search folder allow you to separate those flagged email in a separate folder and you can directly check out those emails in a separate one. So all you have to do is to simply select your inbox here, go to folder tab. In the new section, you will see new search folder, or you can also click Control Shift and P keyboard shortcut to simply select the new search folder. When you click on it, new search folder dialog box appears. Here you will see few options. All you have to do, you have to select mail flagged for follow up. This is the by default option already provided by Microsoft Outlook. That means all the emails which are flagged for follow up are selected, and now you have to search mail which is already by default selected. Click OK and boom, you will see a separate folder for the for follow up name under search folder appears, which consists of my flagged emails. So this is the very smartest way I personally use to separate those flagged email which I want to follow up in future. So this is the Outlook Classic. Now I will show you, if you are a lover of new Outlook, there is few other options here which help you to find out your flagged emails. So this is my inbox. In the new Outlook, the interface is entirely different. So to check out or to filter out the flagged email from your inbox, all you have to do, if you can see a small reverse parameter symbol, that's a filter actually. When you click on that, few options, all, unread, flagged, to me, these are available here. All is selected because in my inbox by default you can check out all your emails. That's why all is selected. Now to check out the flagged emails, you have to simply select this flagged. When you click on it, all my flagged emails appear and rest of the emails are hidden. To get it back, again click on this flagged and you will be on your normal position. So this is the method in new Outlook. So another quick method is you can check out your flagged emails on the right navigation panel. For that, you will see on the top right corner of your screen, there is an option which is this My Day. When you click on this My Day, it will open up all your details or your calendar details, which consist of flagged emails also. And you can very easily check out your flagged email from here. You can change the dates also. That will show you the upcoming events or your appointments here. You can check out at a glance from this section also. So these are a couple of methods you can use to find and view your flagged email in Microsoft Outlook. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.